Labdien, dāmas un kungi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very pleased and honored to be here with you today to open this important conference on packaging reuse and recycling within the framework of deposit system. I would like to express my gratitude to SIA Deposit iepakojuma operators and the international platform RELOP for this valuable collaboration and the opportunity to discuss this important topic together here in Riga. This conference is notable because it brings together here in-person and online environmental protection, waste management industry professionals, producers and retailers from multiple countries to share experience, best practice examples and challenges regarding the implementation and supervision of deposit system. We are ready to discuss various aspects from the European and broader international perspective to specific achievements and future prospects in Latvia. Deposit systems have become a significant tool for improving our environmental sustainability. They not only promote the reuse of raw materials and stimulate implementation of circular economy principles, but also reduce environmental littering and household waste volumes. They help building an important link between the needs of environment, economy, and society. Implementation of the beverage packaging deposit system and its goals go hand in hand with the requirements of the European Union regarding the sorting of waste and reducing the amounts of landfill waste. Introduction of the deposit system in Latvia is a step towards a more sustainable and environmentally friendly society. It requires society to learn new habits related to the operation of the deposit system and proper management of packaging waste. Meanwhile, it is crucial to organize educational campaigns and provide information about the operation of the deposit system to ensure public awareness and support for it. Finally, introduction of the deposit system in Latvia has demonstrated that achieving sustainable development goals requires establishing close cooperation between the government, entrepreneurs, and society. Only together, positive and comprehensive changes can be achieved. We are proud that this conference will feature various experts who will share their experience and insights into the operation of the deposit systems in their countries and their impact on the environment and economy. I would like to express deep gratitude to all the speakers and participants who are taking part in this conference and invite everyone to actively engage in discussions and share ideas so that together we can move even more further into the direction of environmental sustainability. Thank you all, and I wish us a productive and inspiring conference.